Welcome friends. So today I'm going to show you the interfacing of BMP 180, that is temperature and pressure sensor, with Arduino Uno. So this is the interfacing diagram. So this is I2C based sensor, and first of all we'll see how we can write the program for this, and then we'll see the display and execution of this. Okay, so this is the code. I wrote it in Arduino, so I can include it. I have included one header file as hash include adafruit underscore bmp 085.h. Then hash include wire.h is the wire library. Then I have interfaced to liquid crystal display. That's why hash include liquid crystal.h. Then liquid crystal I have connected to RS is connected to 8 number pin, enable is connected to 9 number pin, and D4 to D uh, 4 to D7 is connected to 10, 11, 12 and 13. So I have created an object that is BMP 085 as a BMP. Then two solenoids are connected, one is for pressure and another is for temperature. So it is a multiplex sensor which will give you temperature as well as the pressure. So solenoid 1 is for temperature, and solenoid 2 is there, 2 is there, that is connected to pin number 3, that is for pressure. So we have two variables, temperature and pressure. So under a void setup we have all the setup configurations, that is solenoid 1, 2, these are the output devices. Then we have interface 16 by 2 LCD, that's why LCD.begin 16 by 2. Welcome message will be displayed and wait for around 2.5 seconds, 2.5 seconds. LCD.clear, then serial.begin 9600, and we'll check for whether the sensor is connected or properly or not. That's why it is a connection steps. Then under a loop we have digital write solenoid 1 as a low and digital write solenoid 2 as low, so both the levels are low. Then serial dot print temperature, so here we are going to read the temperature and we are printing the temperature serial on the serial monitor window. It is in degree centigrade we are printing, at the same time we are printing on the LCD as well, that is temperature. And again bmp dot read temperature is going to print in a degree centigrade. Wait for 1 second. So it will wait for 1 second. Again we can have read the another temperature in pressure in a Pascal, and again we are printing that pressure in a Pascal. Again we are reading it. This sensor gives you altitude as well, so read the real-time altitude. Here it is a pressure at a sea level we are going to print again, and we are printing on the LCD as well. Again real-time altitude we are going to read, and we are going to print again on the LCD. Here these variables we are reading the temperature and we are comparing the temperature. If the temperature is above 40 degree, then we are turning on the solenoid 1, that is digital write solenoid 1 as high, else we are writing solenoid 1 as a low. Okay, again for pressure as well, 1 lakh Pascal. So if it is greater than that, then we are writing here high, and otherwise we are writing as a low. Okay, so this is the code. Now we are going to see the simulation steps. So this is the simulation tool. I have simulated through a Proteus, so I will open the simulation. Here it is Arduino Uno, and this sensor is I2C based sensor. So SCL is connected to SCL here, SDA is connected to SDA. So here 1 lakh 13 is showing the pressure, and LCD is here. Again we have two motors, one is for temperature solenoid and another is for pressure solenoid. Okay, then I have not connected a serial monitor, so if you require serial monitor you can take from here a virtual terminal. You can put a virtual terminal. So here RxD is connected to a TXD, so is pin number 1, and from RxD is connected to here TXD. Okay, so it is connected. I'm going to save this. So this is the okay. Now I can run it. Once I run it, sorry for that. Okay, so I will give a hex file, click OK, and then run. Once I run, it will display first welcome message. Currently the temperature is around 25 degrees centigrade. Is printing temperature here 25, so I can change here either pressure and Pascal. So it's a 2.17 meter altitude. Then pressure at sea level is 1 lakh 12. Then again 16.72. Solenoid 1 is off, so no motor is moving. Solenoid 2 is on because the pressure is more. So I'm going to change now temperature, and will increase the temperature to above 40 degree. So once it is above 40 degree, it's going to turn on the solenoid 1 as well. So I'm just increasing the temperature, and look at this. So currently it's 26.4, 26, 27, 28. It's just so slow. And can increase fast. Just place button to increase the fast. Okay, now the temperature is 39.5. I'm going to increase it again. If it is reaches above 40 degree, it's now 40.2, 40.3. Now you can see that this solenoid will turn on, temperature solenoid will turn on. Yeah, sorry for that. Now you can observe that its temperature is 41 degrees centigrade. It's automatically going to turn on this temperature solenoid once it execute that particular loop. After pressure, real time altitude, then temperature is above 40, so it's turning on the, and also the pressure is on, so both the motors are on. All right, so this is about the code. Thank you for listening, and once you like the video, please press like button. If you're not subscribed my channel yet, please press subscribe button, and also press notification bell icon for next upcoming updates. Thank you for listening.